First of all, in this left hand menu, you have to select this content hour move tool. Once you select it, now go ahead and just select wrinkles from your face, just like so. Once you select it, now you have to drag the selected area and put it on a clean skin, just like so. Click on OK, and here press Ctrl D, and here we can see wrinkle removed. Now we have to make this skin perfect. So again, select any dark area, again do the same thing, do the same thing, and here as you can see, I completely removed wrinkles from my image. And here we can see the before and after result.